Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Kailia from Rise BC Wellness Center in Nelson, BC, and this is Anna Topf, a kinesiologist working at the clinic. Today we're going to show you a simple technique to use a rubber ball to treat So we're going to start with the temporomandibular joint, or TMJ region, a common cause of jaw pain. And Anna's going to show me how to roll the masseter muscle.
Okay, so you want to start with a block and a ball. So you're going to lie down on your side between the cheek and the jawbone and just find a place that may feel uncomfortable or sore. Just roll a little bit and find the sorest point and then hold for 5 to 10 deep breaths. And wait for it to relax. Then once you've done that, you can also open and close the mouth 5 to 10 times, nice and slow, while staying relatively still on that point and waiting with nice deep breaths for the body to release. Okay, so after you've released your jaw, you want to move to the temporalis. So quite often we get tension headaches and whatnot, and this is a really good way to release that. So you bring it up to the side of the head, and you can do a little rolling back and forth by kind of turning the head slightly. All these movements are done really slowly and with awareness, and basically we're looking for the tension. So a part of the release is the movement. Another part is just finding a place that's particularly sore or tight and stopping on it, and then waiting there for 5 to 10 deep breaths and waiting for that change in tension. So this can be done for a minute or so. Then you'll also obviously want to do the other side as well.